She's good.
Okay.
He's already
I'm
laughing
gonna
at you.
video her a little
1,
bit.
2, 3.
Oh, look at Sloane.
You want me to hit him for you?
Are you on the horse?
Well, actually, earlier.
Good job.
Don't do drama queen now, Carson. That's Mama's job.
Okay, I think your legs are just
That's
a
pretty
little bit
good.
shorter than your sister's. Can you lift your left leg up or your right leg up here for me? Good. Are you a little nervous? Yeah, why are you nervous? Is it because you're high up off the ground? Yeah, you know what though? I'm going to walk next to you the whole time you're riding, okay?
My shoe's coming off.
Oh, your shoe's coming off? We'll fix that. You put your foot right there. Good girl. Okay. I'll fix your stirrup on the other side. You feeling a little better now? Your foot come off? That's okay. You know what? We can ride even if our feet come out. Can you squeeze your legs to make the pony go? Right there, squeeze your legs.
Go.
Good
Oh,
girl.
horsey.
Say walk on. Good job. Can you put both hands on purple?
Oh, she is getting a baby pony for her.
Oh. Now, remember, how did you see Carson? How did you turn the pony? What did she do with her hand? Yes, you want to turn left. You're gonna
That one right there.
Feet dragging the ground.
Yeah.
You can't fall.
It's like training wheels.
You want to go right,
Exactly.
you're gonna pull right. Okay, pull until his head turns. Pull harder. Good job. You want to go fast like Carson did?
She's
Okay,
straight.
baby, she's the one with no fear.
Did
She
you hear
is,
her? Horsey
honey.
go, horsey go. Holy crap. Like,
You should see her in gymnastics. She's like full forward.
Yeah, is she?
Yes.
And hold tight there.
she's scared for like 5 seconds and then it's like on.
Ready to go
Wow.
now.
Practice that. Say it. You want to go fast or do you want to steer? You want to go fast? Okay, so if you want to go fast, you have to put your hands the way I told you, okay? Now can you say whoa, Badger? So if you want to stop, say stop or whoa, okay? Are you ready to go faster? Now when we go faster, you sit up straight and hold on with your hands, okay? Hold on tight.
Did she say stop? Yeah, she did say
Stop.
stop.
Girl telling him stop. Right? You want to try to go fast again for a few steps? Okay.
She likes that.
Make sure she, of course, knows who's in charge.
She's got Samantha personality in that respect. Samantha's like, I said.
Oh, what did he do when you said stop? That was too fast.
It's amazing how kids have no fear.
Hmm?
Kids have no fear.
Oh no. They don't know any better.
Okay, you'll do that. Okay. So, do you like this fast?
No.
Slower? Okay, we can go really slow. You like that? Now, really what? You want to go slow or fast? Really slow? You want to see how slow we can go?
I've seen that look before.
Okay, let's
Carson's
see how
like, now
slow
wait a
we can
minute, I want to
go.
be on that horse. And that Carson's looking over at her going, now wait a minute, I think I want to be on that horse.
Really slow. Do you like that? So now that we're going slow, you can tell her how to go slow with your hands. Would you like to hold the reins and tell him to go slow? Are you all done? Do you want to practice steering him again?
I don't know.
Well, she's not riding on that horse. She's just brushing him. You can brush him when you're done riding. Would you like to ride Badger some more?
Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so let's
Where is
hold
it?
on to both. Can you turn his head?
Where are you going to ride at?
Pull right. Oh, that way. Can you
Aren't
pull
you
that way?
supposed to be with hanging out with your friends? Where's your helmet?
It's in the guest office. It's in the black Nike bag.
Where's the guest office?
Upstairs. You're
Oh, my house.
Say, like, we don't have a guest. We just have an office.
Hey, you have to bring the something on.
Yeah.
No,
Oh,
you
not
don't
me.
think
The
so.
other Haley. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm also Haley.
Yeah, okay, gotcha.
Haley Nicole.
Hang on, let me see what's
What's
going
your middle name?
Nicole.
That's my middle name.
I know. Like, we're spelled the same way. Like, both of it's spelled the same way.
Well, how about that? I hope you're not as headstrong as ours.
Oh, no, they don't like me.
Yeah, well, we had a problem with the other helmet. If Haley doesn't mind you using hers, I bet we won't have a problem with someone else's.
I just,
Up to you, there may be one in there.
because I want to go that funny.
You gotta have permission first.
Yeah, not Dunny. No, not Dunny.
Dunny's insane.
You have to have
It's not
permission first.
insane. You just don't understand it.
Dunny's a wild child.
Yeah, I'll
He's a wild child.
You have to have permission first.
Are you okay? I won't be cool.
Well, that's for me, not me.
You can watch me go back to my
It almost, I think Holly said she wants to try to bring her back since she's never been on a horse.
No, I don't.
Yes, she does. Holly and I are gonna go get on horses and race. See who's got it.
We grew up riding them, so they don't bother us. I just hadn't ridden one in a long time, but we grew up riding them.
Look at Carson. She's just over there.
I think they enjoyed it.
Oh, yeah.
Now you're all done. Okay.
Now I'm done.
You gonna go fast again, Sloane?
Do you want to go fast again? No.
Can I bareback Zeb?
Yes, I was going to ask you if you wanted to ride him.
Then do I need to go home and get your helmet?
Yeah, just bring that bag and I'll use the chaps too.
It's,
Because if she wasn't here, I was going to ride both of them.
Dad!
And I don't think I got the energy for that.
Dad!
perfect.
Can I